system.
Astronomers believe 3I Atlas is not from our sun nor from our solar system. So what is it doing up there? Well, Holly Menino spoke with an assistant professor at the University of Washington who's studying this very intriguing comet.
Joining me now is James Davenport, an assistant professor at the University of Washington. Let's start with for those who don't know, what is 3I Atlas?
3I Atlas is an amazing comet that we've been studying that's been passing through our solar system. The name 3I literally means third interstellar, the I for interstellar. This is the third object like this we've seen, which is a comet or a rock that has come from another solar system and entered ours. So it's not from our sun, not from the solar system. It's truly from somewhere else.
Oh my gosh, that makes it even more fascinating, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really is a unique object. We've theorized these things should exist for a long time. We know that there are lots of comets in the outer solar system. They must get kicked around, and some of them must get left behind. So other stars, too, must kick their comets around, but we've never seen them. And it's only recently, in the last few years, that we've found the first, well, now 3 of them coming from we don't know where.
James, tell me, how are you involved with studying 3I Atlas?
Yeah, so this is an object which has captured a lot of interest from across the astronomy community. So I'm not a comet astronomer by training. I'm a stars astronomer, but these are so interesting, and they're one of the most exciting new objects that many of us have just been trying to take any opportunity to look at them, to study them with our telescopes. So I got involved this summer right after it was discovered, trying to see if there are interesting signs of maybe weird chemistry in the object, a weird orbit, or any other kind of anomaly which might suggest that perhaps it comes from even a technological origin. We just don't know what these objects are and how they're made.
What makes this one so unique?
Yeah, this one is great. Well, for me, for 2 reasons. One is that it passed in just a wonderful area of the sky that we were already studying for lots of other reasons. So we had a lot of opportunity to look at it. And the other is that it's passing right through the plane of our solar system, sort of right along the big pancake that we all orbit around, sort of the plane where the Earth and Mars and Jupiter, everybody orbits. It's going to pass sort of right through that plane, which makes it really well placed to sort of pass close to Mars, pass close to Jupiter. So we're getting a lot of opportunities to look at it from a really unique vantage point.
Yeah, and how have these anomalies, I guess, challenged current models for comets?
Yeah, so this object is weird. I mean, okay, it's the third one of its kind. So is it weird relative to other interstellar objects? We don't know. But it is a little weird compared to the comets and the asteroids in our own solar system. It's very red. It has a really fluffy tail that, most comets have tails. That's how we know they're a comet. But this tail started ejecting from the comet way far out, much farther than most comets in our solar system erupt. Now, this kind of makes sense. This object's probably been floating through interstellar space from whatever parent star it came from for millions, if not billions of years. And so it's never been close to a star. It's never gotten heated up. It's never had that big cometary tail. So it is a really fresh, well-preserved comet from another star, which means we don't know what it's going to be made of. And so we're seeing lots of little anomalies in the chemistry, in the composition of the metals and the atoms and the gases coming off of it.
So different from what you've seen before and what other scientists and astronomers have seen before. What is the current scientific consensus on the composition and possibly the origin of 3I Atlas?
So we know for sure that it comes from another star. There's really no way to figure out which star it comes from. The galaxy it's like being in the midst of a river. All the stars are kind of moving to and fro around us. And so we can't really pinpoint where it came from. We do know that its composition is pretty abnormal as compared to most comets that we see go around a lot. It doesn't look like Halley's Comet, for example, but it's not so abnormal, right? It's not made of some bizarre metal that we've never seen a comet made of. It's just sort of its own unique blend of irons and ices and things. So there's nothing really weird that it's being made of. It's just a really unique comet. We do know that based on its orbit, it probably has been in the galaxy for billions of years. It really has been floating around for a long time.
Wow. There's a lot of buzz about a technological origin. What does that mean, and what are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I have a lot of thoughts on this because it is a really exciting opportunity. Of course, our science fiction and our media is full of these ideas of visitors from other worlds, probes coming and visiting our solar system. And in fact, a lot of my work is trying to figure out, can we see technological signatures in our data, whether that's a radio telescope or an optical telescope like we use to observe 3I Atlas or other comets. So I think it's a great idea because they might be out there and we ought to look. But I think we also must be really skeptical, right? This is the most fantastical explanation for something that we're looking for. We need some really tremendous signal to know that this is really unusual. So we are looking. We're going to see if this is some kind of alien rocket. We'll know. Like at some point, it will turn its engines on. It'll make some weird motion, and we'll know. So far, it hasn't. So far, it's doing exactly what comets do. It's coming near the sun for the first time in its very long history, and it's getting heated up, and it's producing a beautiful tail that you can see kind of coming out the back and the side of it. It's a really beautiful object. And if it does do something truly anomalous, something that would be technological, a laser beam or something like this, then we'll see it. Because right now, we're trying to observe it every single night around the world.